Hey everyone, it is Autumn with Always Thrifted, and I know that my channel is normally thrift store finds, liquidation store finds, and pretty much anything secondhand, but I did start becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator this month. I've been making cards for the last few months, and so I decided to sign up. They have a special going on right now. It's normally $125 worth of product for $99, but throughout the month of May, they are doing $155 worth of product for $99 and free shipping. And I pretty much wanted to just show you what I got, because you get to completely customize your kit into whatever that you want. So I grabbed this 3D macrame embossing folder. And most of my items are going to have a theme, and you'll be able to see that once we go through them. I grabbed this spiral tie-dye background stamp. You can see it. It takes up the whole card. So I got that, and I'm going to eventually end up getting the Stampin' Right markers, and you can just color that entire stamp whatever colors you want. I got this. It was upside down designer series paper. It is called Beauty of the Earth. It's really hard to see with that on, but it is a very earthy, organic type one. This one is called Forever Flourishing Dies, and I know it's just in a package and you can't see it, but let's see what's in here. And I can link my website down below in the description if you want to check out anything. It's all plant. Those are all plant themed. Can you tell what my theme is with the colors? And then this was my favorite thing I got. I think it is this animal print embossing folder. Tell me how pretty that is. This paper lattice, and what I originally thought it was a die and it would cut out like this, but it is not. There's 10 of them in there. Let's see what else we have. Now this is one of the end colors, and it goes same thing with my theme. It is soft succulent. Other than the tie-dye and the leopard, I think you've got my theme. I grabbed this. This is called a suite. It comes with the paper, the stamps, and the die. I had to think of the word again. This one is called Bloom Where You Are Planted Designer Series Paper, and it is all plant themed. And this is the stamp set that comes in it. And then these dies coordinate with the stamps, so you can cut out the pots and do all different colors. Let's see. Okay. And then the rest of it is all other stuff that comes in your catalog or in your kit. The mini catalogs. Let's see. The host forms. More bubble wrap. Some in your guest invite postcards, which I'm doing this just for fun. Oh, there's a pin. It comes with this. I'm excited. With Stampin' Up! Paperwork. Oh, this is so pretty. I did not know it came with this. I did not see this. It's a Stampin' Up! Pin. I will use that. Customer order forms. And the last two items, it comes with a large box of annual catalogs. And then, sorry for all the noise, with your kit, everybody gets a paper pumpkin kit, and these come out monthly. And I had to peek. I've got Rich Razzleberry. These are the stamps, which I think, oh, he's really hard to tell with the ring light. He is so cute. You can try it yourself, become a subscriber, or invite somebody else to join. And I'm really considering doing paper pumpkin. It's a monthly subscription and you get it in every month. But it is very pretty. It is all packaged nicely and everything comes in here together. And these are what it'll look like. How adorable. Those are so cute. So everything that I got was free shipping, which was amazing. And then pretty much all of this came to $153 and like some change, but you had to stay under the $155. So I got it as close as I could. And then all of this. So this was all $153, and with tax I paid $108. And I'm excited. So if you are interested in card making, any type of supplies, I will link my website down in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. But if you are a Stampin' demonstrator and you signed up in the month of May, let me know what you got down below. What did you pick? I love seeing what everybody else does because I know nobody could have the same 2 kits. Everybody can pick something different, which is what is really awesome about that. But thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.